In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your notebooklm account. We'll walk you through the entire process step by step to ensure you have everything you need to get started with this innovative AI research tool and thinking partner. Whether you're a researcher, student, or just curious about advanced note-taking solutions, notebooklm could be the perfect tool for you. First, we need to navigate to the Google notebooklm homepage. To do this, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Google notebooklm. Once you're on the page, take a moment to look around. It's always beneficial to familiarize yourself with the homepage before diving deeper. You'll notice some key features highlighted, designed to enhance your research and note-taking experience. When you're ready, the next step is to click on the Try notebooklm button. This option is prominently displayed, making it easy to find and access directly from the homepage. Clicking this will take you to a sign-in page where you'll need to access your Google account. At this point, you might be prompted to log in, especially if you're not already signed into your Google account in your browser. Simply enter your email and password as you normally would. If you're concerned about security, Google provides two-factor authentication for added protection. This makes sure that your data and personal information are secure while using notebooklm. Once signed in, you'll be directed to enter certain highlights or interest areas. This is where you'll tailor notebooklm to suit your specific needs. Think about the subjects or areas you'll be working on and type those in. Notebooklm uses this information to provide suggestions and tailor the experience to match your research and note-taking style more effectively. A helpful tip at this stage is to be as specific as possible about your interests. The more detail you provide, the better notebooklm can assist you in organizing your notes and research. You can always update these preferences later, so don't worry if you're not entirely sure or if your focus changes over time. And just like that, you've set up your notebooklm account. You're ready to explore its features, designed to make research more intuitive and collaborative. Remember that the initial setup is just the beginning, and as you spend more time with the platform, you'll discover numerous ways it can support and enhance your work. As a final reminder, periodically check for updates or new features that Google might roll out. Staying updated can provide you with additional tools and improved functionality. Thank you for setting up your notebooklm account with us today. I hope you find this tool as helpful and exciting as we do. Happy note-taking!